How to fix Instagram showing the same reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, clear Instagram cache. Long press on Instagram app icon, select app info and tap on storage or storage and cache. Select clear cache and relaunch Instagram and check if the issue is resolved. If this doesn't help you, you can easily go to the App Store or Play Store and you can tap search icon at bottom right. Search for Instagram and open it. If there is any update button, update it to the latest version. After updating, open Instagram and check the Reels section. If you have violated Instagram community guidelines, your account might be shadow banned. Professional accounts user can check account status to see if their content violates Instagram guidelines. So by following this step, you can easily fix Instagram showing the same reels. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.